What if the person who files for the protective order is the abuser and he texts the person the next day? I'm Tulsa Attorney James Worth. That is the question that we have received. So if the person that files for the protective order is the person actually doing abuse, then obviously you're going to want to defend that case. And in the state of Oklahoma, there are no mutual protective orders. They're not filed where you request one and the court can order a mutual going both ways. So each protective order is determined individually. So if the person that filed a protective order against you is the actual abuser and you're in need of protection, then you would need to file your own separate protective order, and they would be heard likely at the same time, but they're going to be heard based on the merits of each one separately, effectively. So if that person can't prove their case because that person is not the actual person that has been abused, then you should be able to defend against that. And if you are the person in need of protection, you've got the evidence of that, then you should be able to get your protective order granted, and it should work that way. As far as messaging the next day, that's excellent evidence. If the person filed for a protective order against you and then is messaging you, that's not a violation of the protective order, because that's not the way protective orders work. They are only one way, not both ways. However, it is excellent evidence that the person is not sincere in their need for a protective order and they don't need a protective order. So that is excellent evidence to present that the protective order should be dismissed, but it's not a criminal violation, say, if you violate the protective order, because the protective order is not against the person who filed it. It is just evidence that they aren't in need of the protective order and maybe grounds to request a finding that the protective order filing was frivolous, which can be a basis for you to get attorney's fees awarded. So if you've got a question about a protective order in the state of Oklahoma, you're going to want more information than this general video. You're going to want to talk to a lawyer privately and confidentially to get legal advice. To schedule that with an attorney at my office, you can go online to makelawEasy.com.